boys don't deserve no. I know that's right. Quote Cardi B. Hey y'all, welcome back to Brews Wirth Brena. On this week's episode, I might have gotten myself into a little doozy. Keep watching to figure out why. This week's beer is one from Good Neighbour Brewing Company. You know, I have never heard of them before. This is their premium pale lager Czech style. Did I pronounce that right? Okay, let's crack it open, boys. Oh man. Oh, lager is the word. Lager is the word. It definitely has a very like beer taste. You know what I'm saying? I feel like as soon as this gets warm, it's gonna be nasty. I'm probably gonna be hating myself because what I'm gonna do is put in my extensions. They are beaded weft, which means the installation process. Blue, stop! What I'm gonna do first is just create a good part in my hair. Because beer reminds me of the toad. Okay, so after I part my hair, I'm going to just make sure the weft fits on the part you created. So we're using these clips as markers, and that's where we're gonna have to put the beads up into. So this is the needle, it's a C shape. That way when you're like sewing, you're not stabbing the head. It's like nice and curved, it comes right back out. It'll be hard for me to see. I'm gonna take the best down section I can. I'm taking a section about this wide and like that big, and we're gonna put a bead on it. I don't know, it kind of looks like some sort of crochet hook or something. I'm gonna put the hair through this opening. And just by pulling it down, it's gonna put the bead on my hair. So now with the string through the bead, I'm gonna push the bead all the way up and then I am going to clamp it. I'm not too picky about this. Let's get it popping. Basically, I'm gonna go around the whole length of my head, putting beads in with the little friggin' string in between. This is a very beer tasting beer. Okay, I'm gonna finish this row of beads off camera. It's been almost an hour since I started and I'm still on the first row of beads. Tatted on my ass because I really like paint. What'd I get myself into? I really love the packaging. It's super cute. Ooh, that one ended up lying freaking flat, sexy guys. Ow, ow! Oh my gosh, like, okay, you see this? You see this? This is how you want it to lie. Like, I can't even believe the difference there. Wow, like this looks great actually. Damn! And you wanna make sure on these corners that you sew the out of it. I'm just gonna, I feel like a bad bitch. What? Written on me, card rubbing on a glass. I just sew it on and cross my fingers. Honestly, I don't think any of my coworkers watch these videos, but if they do, they're gonna think I'm crazy. Okay, I think before I go any further, I need to tie on another string, so let's do that. Okay, so now I'm going to tie the leftover string from the beads. I left a little bit on the end from the beads to the leftover string from the weft that I just sewn in. I'm freaking impressed. Let me tell you, it's not gonna be the cleanest work, but damn, she's in there good. So let's try the second beer. To be honest, I forgot it in my freezer while I was filming for like 2 hours. I'm lucky it didn't explode. I get a slushy beer. So this is a fruited sour ale. My first thoughts is in comparison to other sours, it doesn't taste like super sour. It just like has that light kick to it. So let's start on this second row. I'm gonna take my part. I feel like this beer tastes like freaking Jolly Ranchers. Yum. Okay, let me put these beads in. I'm tired, my back's sore, but where there's a will, there's a way. So this is the last bead, man. I got the backlash written on me, card rubbing on a glass bowl, I've been balling. Okay, let's start sewing this other side. Oh my gosh. Countdown, I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, cold. What's cool about this beer is that the company is formed by two ladies, girl bosses in Winnipeg, Morgan and Amber. I think that's so dope. Keep them coming. Well, the top row, I guess. Holy man, this has been an undertaking. Holy like my whole back is numb. Oh my gosh, I'm looking in the window right now and it looks fire. It looks fire. What are you gonna do? It looks fire. So I'm gonna have to come up with some long-haired content for you guys for the next couple weeks. Oh my gosh. She's in, boys. That's probably the second time my battery died. But I ended up curling it and I'm so obsessed. So my back's so sore. I had to take my boyfriend's prescription muscle relaxers and I'm but okay, so let's give my review on the first beer we tried tonight, which was the Good Neighbor Premium Lager. Would I buy it again? Honestly, no, I would not buy it again. You know, I'd buy it for my boyfriend, but not for me, so meh. This one though, I'd buy this again. It didn't taste like mango or guava or vanilla, but it was freaking yummy, and I'm super excited to see what other beers Good Neighbor comes out with, since they're so new and fresh and it's 2 women owners. That makes me so excited. It took probably 4.5 hours. Oh my god. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. What? Basically what I would say is, if you want a beaded weft, get it done by a hairstylist. I'm drunk. I love this beer. What do you want? Because I have my like blonde chunk. I was so surprised that it blends like so seamlessly into the, you know, extensions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Man, let's support these local ladies. Go and check out their beer and leave in the comments what you think. Anyways, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
I got the backlash written on me. Card robbing on a glass bowl. I've been ballin'. Free my ladies in the counter.